going on, guys? We're just reporting live from North Prairie, Wisconsin. Ryan's Diesel Service Truck Show. Cody, myself, one free turbo. Rory made 630, 1280, without the right tuning. We don't like to talk about it. Just kidding. This is not a live video.
Good morning, YouTube. How's everyone doing today? Hopefully you guys are fantastic. We have finally made it to Wisconsin, to the truck show, Dyno Day, and all that stuff. It took a little bit longer than expected. I was so late this morning, but it looks like we got the dyno already set up, ready to go. And yeah, we're just gonna hang out. I'm gonna try and find everyone. We drove 2,200 miles in like 3 days from Tuesday. We were super late this morning. We just needed to get some sleep. We had to wash the truck still from our incident in Nebraska where it was filthy. So we're gonna go check out and see what's going on with everyone around here. Are you trying to get some track bars or what?
They match my nice fucking 1-ton at home, buddy.
Oh yeah, that would be great. What's going on, guys? How you doing? Thanks for coming out. I know I'm late, but you know, rather late than never. Those things are sweet.
I know.
Oh yeah. Got turbos, a little bit of everything. You guys got an S480 laying around? What was that? You guys bring an S480 or anything with you?
I don't have an S480 laying around.
I'm trying to be Rustbelt on the dyno, so. What's going on? So, does anyone have an S480 laying around over here?
Laying around? Yeah. There might be one sitting up over here.
Well, I figured I need to beat you on the dyno.
Yeah,
so
exactly.
Throw on a
You're gonna see what we build to any person, you know?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. You're gonna have to.
Oh yeah.
You got the dual turbos.
I know. I think this is what we're missing right here. We need to upgrade a little bit.
Shiny.
I think that might be an S480.
That's a
maybe bigger.
S480. That's like a 490.
Yeah, that'll work. That'll do.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I think the next truck on the dyno is gonna make the most power here, right? I think so.
We're talking like severe powerhouse here.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
no
This is
joke.
some serious stuff going on. Josh,
We're kind of vlogging here. What's up?
What do you think? Should we show them the truck yet, or just wait?
No, we're gonna show them. Okay, so this lady bought a 2.8 liter Duramax Canyon, GMC Canyon, brand new, and she's gonna put it on the dyno. She's gonna put it on the dyno, ladies and gentlemen. It's gonna be exciting. What are your thoughts, Rory? You're the diesel expert here.
Oh no, I mean, I don't even know what they are.
Money's on the line.
Well,
Yeah.
we're just talking here realistically. I think I am just throwing it out there. I'll just say 210.
Yeah, I was gonna say 220.
195, but 300 foot-pounds of torque.
I feel like you know the actual specs on it.
You're right.
I feel like if anyone knows, you do.
Close to that.
Well, he is
So-
the alpha dog in the Texas.
Yeah.
There,
So we'll see.
It's a rarity when you can meet someone who's the boss hog right here. So,
But now how accurate is the the spec sheet?
Or the dyno.
very
Yeah,
good.
or the dyno for that matter. So
So we're going crapshoot here.
Yeah.
We're going back to Vegas.
my hopes are high just because it's a Duramax. So I really
Baby
don't.
Duramax, but I'm excited to see
yeah.
the performance modifications and upgrades that come with the 2.8 liter. I know that they're out there, but they're really not that big. So.
Well, STP has a twin kit for them.
Already, they just came
Yeah,
out like
yep.
2 weeks ago.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, they have they
Where
just
you at,
made
YouTube
a
guy? Come on, man.
Yeah, they just made a twin compound kit for them, So
Compound kit for a 2.8 liter Duramax.
That's a car.
204.
204
at 331.
204 at 331, ladies and gentlemen. We don't want to keep watching that, but that's about where we're at right here.
Hey, you were. I think you were the closest.
Where were you at?
I said 220.
220? I win this round.
But That was 204.
Hang on, we got another one.
331.
331.
I said 315 torque, but I said like 195.
Yeah.
Ooh. Hang on, we got another one here. We got another reading.
Not lower, a little harder.
Maybe not.
I think they're still playing with it. You going back on?
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, dude, it's so sweet.
Sounds so good.
Yeah, it does.
And the running numbers right now, the highest horsepower rating is
671.
I think I keep flipping the rollers. Is that what's going on?
It does sound like a little bit.
Yeah. Jumping on the
I can
rollers.
smell the rubber burning.
Yeah. What's done to it? You might have me beat now, I'm upset.
I don't know, it's straight up. I gotta get the reaction, man. We gotta find out where this is going. What's it doing?
Oh, really?
Yeah.
In fourth? It's downshifting? I mean, dude, good thing we changed the tires. My front tires are like 8 inches off, like over the edge of the rollers.
So, Dalton, I must ask you, what are you thinking? Dyno with the GS6 manual. I think you can be.
Well, what did you get? 610?
610, 1,200 foot-pounds.
Alright.
618.
That's a good deal. Yep. I got high hopes.
610.
625. Some other number.
Do you want to shift the gears? Because I don't know if that guy knows how to do it.
I don't know what he's doing right now.
This is going to be interesting.
Yeah. He already drove a few manuals, so we should be good.
Skip leg day, bro. I got the good clutch.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe fourth.
Yeah, I don't think he got all the way in.
No, I'm gonna tell him to maybe go up a gear. Yeah.
You think it's the gear shifts?
Maybe. You know what gear he's doing it in?
Manual.
4? Are you doing it in 4? Yeah. Do you want to try 5th? Yeah, it pulls a little bit better and fits, so. Is it? I was just saying the tack in the trunk is off. I don't know if you guys are.
See it.
Was he able to get in fifth gear?
Yeah, I think so.
630, 1280.
630.
630.
Oh man.
Hell yeah. Nice.
What was it?
Yeah.
630 horse, 1286 foot-pounds of torque.
Not so bad.
Torque monster.
Okay, say that one more time.
630 horse, 2 horsepower shoulder than mine.
And what was the foot-pound?
Is that what he said, 1280?
1286.
1286.
Incredible. Incredible.
Not so bad.
You got the torque like a lot.
Actually, yeah, you're the torque monster, aren't you? Matter of fact, looking at these numbers,
It is.
you are
yeah.
the torque master.
Woo!
You're the torque master.
Yeah,
Congratulations.
torque master, yeah. Sweet.
Yep. So right now, Rory's got the highest torque numbers.
So we are with Truckmaster Rustbelt, Bertrand 850 as you guys seen. So just gonna take a look at the trucks. Truckmaster's new paint job. All matching, everything looks great. The Rhino line Duramax, it could not be cleaner. Love this thing. Oh, there's the man himself. Bertrand's truck. Good old Dirty Max. But that's about gonna do it for today, guys. We had an awesome turnout. I really didn't do too much filming of everything. I was just kind of enjoying everyone and hanging around and seeing all the trucks and everything. We got on a dyno, which I will put the videos in before this, but we made 630 at 1286. So we actually had the highest torque number of the day, not the highest horsepower, but that's probably thanks to the ZF6. I'm super excited with those numbers. It was cool to finally get the right numbers on the, on a loaded dyno. We put stock tires on, so it did look really funny. I know it's obviously not the power I'm gonna be driving around with every day, but 630, stock block, stock fuel, just twins, and a few slight modifications that you guys have seen over the years and all that good stuff. But it's killer. I love it, and it's been super good to me, and we made it off the dyno in one piece. So as always, thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, drop a thumbs up. We will be doing more of this. There's a lot more to come still, so just stay tuned, guys.